Here's a recipe for chicken wings, macaroni and cheese. Ingredients. For the chicken pieces or wings. 1. 2 pounds chicken. 2. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 3. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 4. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 5. 1 teaspoon paprika. 6. Salt and pepper to taste. 7. 1/2 cup barbecue sauce. 8. Cooking oil, for frying. For the macaroni and cheese. 1. 12 ounces elbow macaroni. 2. 4 tablespoons butter. 3. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 4. 3 cups milk. 5. 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. 6. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 7. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 8. Salt and pepper to taste. 9. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 10. Chopped parsley, optional, for garnish. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Prepare the chicken wings. 1. In a bowl, mix together the flour, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. 2. Coat the chicken wings with this flour mixture, shaking off any excess. 3. In a frying pan, heat cooking oil over medium-high heat. 3. Fry the chicken wings until they are golden brown and cooked through, about 8-10 minutes per side. 4. Once cooked, toss the wings in barbecue sauce until they're well coated. 4. Set aside. Prepare the macaroni and cheese. Cook the elbow macaroni according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. In a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and whisk continuously for about 2 minutes to create a roux. Gradually pour in the milk while whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Cook the mixture until it thickens, usually around 5-7 minutes. Reduce the heat to low. Add the cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese, stirring until the cheeses are melted and the sauce is smooth. Season with salt, pepper, and paprika to taste. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce, stirring until the macaroni is well coated. Assemble and bake. Transfer the macaroni and cheese to a baking dish. Arrange the barbecue-coated chicken wings on top of the macaroni and cheese. Bake in the preheated oven for 20-25 minutes or until the dish is heated through and the cheese on top is bubbly and slightly golden. Remove from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Optionally, garnish with chopped parsley before serving. This chicken wings macaroni and cheese is a delightful combination of creamy macaroni and cheese topped with flavorful chicken wings, making it a delicious and satisfying meal. Enjoy!